Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie, and I am doing my nighttime routine when it's spooky season. So I'm just taking you straight after work. I had to run to the store, and of course I had to get these Halloweeny Ghostbusters donuts, and then a quick drive through the car wash, and it is kind of perfect for Halloween with these lights, right? So after my errands, I came home to do a workout. I'm kind of trying to figure out if after work or before work, early morning, like what's really gonna be most sustainable for me. So I tried an afternoon workout this time with, of course, the Halloween outfit and the Harry Potter socks. Like, how could I not? So, and then after my workout, then I'll be ready to enjoy a perfectly cozy evening. But I couldn't just cool down without having a little Halloween vibe, right? You have to do a thriller cool down. Do 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 do. It's close to midnight. And then it was time to relax with a cozy Halloween ambiance on the TV while I got ready for my shower, getting in my pajamas, and getting all cozy before dinner. And then I knew I wanted to make like a mocktail or something fun in my poison apple cup, but I wanted something hydrating after my workout. So I just mixed a hydration drink, these Prime drinks. The ice pop is my favorite flavor with coconut sparkling water. And it was so good. And it's nice to know that it's hydrating and refreshing, but still fun. And then right after a quick dinner, I wanted to quickly get to bed because I had a few things I wanted to do to really like romanticize this time of year, as the saying goes, and just have a super cozy night where I felt like I got all of the things done that I want to get out of my night. So I first started with a movie and then some journaling and some like stretching, reading a little bit of my Dracula book that I keep starting and not getting past page 5. It is really good though. Anyway, just to feel like things to wind down and really enjoy this time of year. So first I had to consult my journal where I have listed out my movie list, like movie list for Halloween, and see what I've already watched so far. And so Nightmare Before Christmas it was.
Jack, I've got the plans for next Halloween. I need to go.
In the comments, are you a Tim Burton fan? Um, Up next, I'm going to be doing my skincare, and here's a little tip that I got from Madeline Olivia, who's a vegan YouTuber on here. Keep your skincare like in your nightstand so you can just be cozy in bed. You'll be way more likely to do it. It smells incredible. And this isn't sponsored or partnered in any way. Kelly from Confectionery Soaps Co. wouldn't know me from Adam or Eve. But all of the like soaps and bath bomb things and scents that I'm using are from Confectionery Soaps Co. And then I had to get out of my cozy bed and like unplug everything so that I could just have the lights that are within reach of my bed on while I got set up to do some red light. I mean, I consider it red light therapy. I just turned my little alarm clock light onto the red setting. I'm sure it does similar things. Anyway, so then I could read a little of my book Under the Red Light for extra spooky vibes. And then do some stretches and relax and go to sleep. I hope this video gives you a glimpse of realistic, simple ways to have a glory day in any time of year. Thanks for watching. Bye.